Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects in Asana and how to find them later when you need them. This is incredibly useful for keeping your workspace clean and organized without permanently deleting projects you might need to reference in the future. Let's start with archiving a project. First, head over to the Asana web app and open the specific project you want to archive. Once you have the project open, look toward the top left of your screen where you'll see the project name displayed. Next to this name, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow to reveal a menu with several options for managing your project. From this drop-down menu, select Archive Project. This option is specifically designed to remove the project from your active view while keeping all the data intact and accessible whenever you need it. Asana may prompt you to confirm this action, so go ahead and confirm if that message appears. Once confirmed, your project will be marked as archived and will immediately disappear from your main project list, giving you a cleaner, more focused workspace. Now let's talk about how to find those archived projects when you need to reference them later. This is straightforward once you know where to look. Go back to the Asana web app and direct your attention to the left sidebar. Click on Projects to view your project list. At the top of this list, you'll see a button labeled Status. Click on this button to open a filtering drop-down menu. In the drop-down that appears, select Archived. This filter will change your view to display only the projects you've archived, making it easy to locate exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through your active projects. Browse through this filtered list until you find the archived project you need. The beauty of archiving instead of deleting is that you maintain a complete record of past work while keeping your current workspace uncluttered. Archived projects retain all their tasks, comments, and attachments, so nothing is lost in the process. If you need to reactivate a project later, you can easily unarchive it by following similar steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.